Are you looking for a hotel in the heart of BGC that feels like home? Hi everyone, this is Kardashian Adventures, and for today's video, let's check out Seda Hotel in BGC. They are located at 30th Street, corner 11th Avenue, right in the center of BGC. It's just a short walk going to Bonifacio High Street, Serendra, and SM Aura, kaya ideal for shopping, dining, and night strolls. Super smooth ng check-in and hassle-free. The staff were friendly and very welcoming. The process took less than 10 minutes, and you just have to present your booking confirmation and valid ID, and you're good to go. Hi guys! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Seda, BGC, and we're staying at 1-bedroom suite na apartment style. So, we're here at 1829 sa 18th floor to ng Seda, BGC. Kaya let's have a quick room tour. Tara! So, ito yung room namin, guys. So, upon entering, ang unang makikita ninyo is the kitchen area. So, sa kitchen, meron sila ditong provided na fridge. Malaki yung fridge, parang sa bahay na fridge to. Tapos, meron na din dito mga available na mga pans, tsaka casserole. Tapos, meron din sila nito na salaan, coriander. So, madaling makapagluto here. And dito naman, meron na din silang microwave oven. Tapos may sink. Ang maganda dito, provided na yung bagong sponge. Meron na din silang dishwashing liquid. And may soap na din dito. Over here naman is the dish rack. Kapag naghugas kayo, pwede nyo ditong patuluan. Tapos meron ng mga utensils para kapag magluluto kayo. At ito yung kanilang stove na magagamit ninyo. Siyempre, meron din sila nitong exhaust. So, kapag nagluto kayo, i-on nyo to para hindi umamoy sa buong room yung niluluto ninyo. And provided na din yung 2 purified drinking water. Meron na din sila dito mga tea and coffee. May electric kettle. And may rice cooker sila. Pwede tayo magsaing. And oven toaster over here. Tapos makikita niyo dito guys, meron silang dining table na very spacious para sa 4 people. And since apartment style nga itong kinuha namin, meron na din silang provided na dryer and washing machine. So pag medyo long yung stay ninyo, pwede kayo maglaba dito. Okay, so dito naman sa area na to is the living space or yung living room area. Yan, sobrang lawak, di ba? Meron na ditong malaking sofa. And meron din ditong mini sofa. Tapos meron na din dito sa living area na TV. Kaya lang hindi siya smart TV, cable TV lang siya. So may signal lang. And this is the view from the living area. So makikita nyo dito yung BGC. Nakikita nyo din yung Bonifacio High Street. And other tall buildings dito sa BGC. And welcome to the master's bedroom. Ito naman yung ating bedroom for tonight. So, meron ditong king-size bed. Test natin kung malambot. Yay! Malambot naman siya. And meron din ditong working area. So, kung nagwo-work from home kayo or you're staying for longer tapos kailangan nyo mag-work, pwede kayo dito mag-work. Meron na din ditong TV, pero I think this is also just a cable TV. Yes, cable TV lang din siya kasi wala din siyang Netflix. Hindi siya smart TV. Yun lang yung pangit kasi medyo outdated na yung TV nila dito. And this is the wardrobe ng room na to. So, open lang yung closet, pero available naman na din yung iron, may ironing board. Tapos, meron silang provided na bathrobe. Tapos, meron na din mga in-room sleepers. And also, the hair dryer is here. On the side naman is An empty space, pwede nyo paglagyan ng inyong mga gamit, mga clothes, and also the safe. Tapos meron na din itong available na flashlight for emergency use. Sa lalim naman is, ano to? Weighing scale. So, bakit important ang weighing scale sa mga hotels? Usually, ginagamit yan hindi para timbangin yung sarili mo, but to weigh your luggage kapag ka mag-international flight ka o kaya may flight ka. So, very useful if mayroong weighing scale sa room niyo. Ito naman guys, ang view from the bedroom window. Almost same lang naman dun sa living area. You'll see the BGC, yung Bonifacio High Street over there, and the tall buildings in BGC. Ayan. And guys, eto naman yung ating bathroom. Very spacious din yung bathroom nila dito. Meron silang separate na bathtub. Ito yung bathtub nila. And the shower area. So, magkahiwalay siya. Tapos, meron na din dito sink. Available na din or provided na din yung mga toiletries na kailangan natin gamitin during our stay. Pero, single sink lang siya. Unlike sa mga ibang hotel na pag suite, double sink yung provided nila. This one is just one. Pero, very functional naman siya. And on this side naman is the toilet, guys. Hindi siya Japanese toilet, it's the normal toilet, pero may provided naman na bidet sa gilid. So, okay na din siya. And then, the towels are over here. Provided na din yung mga towels. Tapos, katulad ng ibang hotels, meron din silang reuse, reduce. Ibig sabihin, if you don't want to change your towel, pwede mo naman siyang hindi pa i-change. Lalo na kung overnight stay ka lang naman. Pasok naman tayo dito sa shower area. So, sa shower area, overhead shower lang. Wala yung rain shower. Pero provided naman yung mga toiletries na gagamitin mo. Meron ng shampoo, may conditioner, and shower gel. Sa side naman na to guys is the full body length mirror. O yan, para sa pag OOTD check nyo at kasama ang toilet sa OOTD check. Ayan. So, yung access ng CR is both sa by kitchen at saka sa bedroom. So, ito yung kanina, yung sa bedroom. And then, over here naman is the access going to kitchen and living room. So, ganun ka-spacious yung CR. And since this is my son's birthday, we prepared a simple home-style celebration. We cooked some steaks, vegetable, and pasta. Thanks to the fully equipped kitchen in the room, we were able to prepare all the food for our mini celebration. After eating, we also had some mini family games. Nothing fancy, just pure fun and the laughter with the whole family. It also made the celebration feel so special and cozy, which is just how the birthday should be. Morning guys! So this is our second day here in the BGC Hotel. So ngayon we're going down para mag-breakfast. So the breakfast is located at first floor sa Misto Restaurant. So let's check kung madami ba yung buffet breakfast nila. Let's compare it with other breakfast na nakukuha natin sa other hotels. Update namin kayo later. Egg station. So, dito nyo ipapasa yung pinil-upan nyo sa table kung what type of egg yung gusto ninyo. Tapos, babalikan na lang natin. So, they have fried rice. Meron ding plain rice dito. Tapos, meron sila dito champurrado. Champurrado, mainit. With evap milk here. Caldo naman to. Ayan. Pindar a la pobre. Longganisa. Oh. Meron din silang pork sausage, chicken sausage, tapos ham. Ayan, may bacon na soft, tapos meron din crispy na bacon. Hindi may laksa soup sila yun, no? Nakalagay, laksa soup.
Yeah.
Ito yung noodle station. Pwede kayo magpagawa ng noodles ninyo. And these are the pastries. Naggagawa sila ng French toast. Tapos may mga iba pang pastries like croissant doon. May mga jam dito. Sila Indian food dito. Paneer, masala, paratha, tsaka hindi ko alam yung isa. Ito mga fruits. Fruits and yogurt. Tapos milk and cereal. May mga juice. May guava juice sila dito. Mango juice, apple juice, and detox juice. Meron sila ditong taho. Ayan o. Kamukha ng nagtinda ng taho sa kanto.
Ang konti. Medyo malamig na eh.
Taho. Yan kamukha siya nung old na version ng ng tindahan ng taho. Yan. May mga iba pang pastries. Ayan, may ube pandesal sila, mga cupcakes, ensaymada, milk donut. Ayan, madami pang iba. Our breakfast for today. Ayan. Wala pa yung eggs namin kasi i-deliver na lang dito sa table namin. So, we're waiting na lang sa aming eggs. Tara, kain na tayo. Kain na tayo, guys. Let's try their adobo.
Malamig natin kape ito. Kaya pa yan.
So guys, this is just a quick review dito sa stay namin sa Seda Hotel in BGC. So when it comes to location, very nice naman yung location niya kasi walking distance lang siya sa Bonifacio High Street. You can walk going to Landers sa Mitsukoshi Mall. At saka, meron ding mga open parking spaces within the vicinity. Kaya kapag meron kayong mga visitors, pwede silang mag-park dun sa mga open parkings. And yung parking naman sa guests, free din siya dito within the building ng hotel. But wala naman masyadong mga stores, restaurants, and convenience store na talagang malapit. You have to walk like few blocks away para makabili ka ng mga needs mo like in convenience store, 7-Eleven, or restaurants. When it comes to the room naman, sobrang okay sa amin yung room kasi ang laki nung one-bedroom suite apartment nila. Sobrang spacious niya. 4 lang kaming nagstay pero nag-invite kasi kami to celebrate the birthday of my son. Bali, 11 kaming lahat nandito and maluwag pa din kami. Hindi kami masyadong cramp. And ang maganda pa dito, fully equipped yung kitchen nila. I am able to cook lahat yung mga hinanda namin para sa birthday celebration ng anak ko. Dito lang namin prepare and hindi kami nahirapan kasi nga kompleto yung kitchen dito. Sa breakfast naman, when we compared it to other hotels na inistayan namin, Of course, in terms of selection, maganda naman din yung selection nila pero mas konti compared to other hotels na nastayan namin dito sa Metro Manila. And the restaurant is a little cramped kasi ang dami ding guests siguro, ang daming tao, and medyo maingay yung breakfast location nila. Pero the food itself, masarap naman, and yun nga, madami ding variations. And yung breakfast nila is 6 a.m. until 10 a.m. Kaya lang napansin ko, nagliligpit na sila, parang 9:15 pa lang, may mga pinapasok na sila sa loob na mga food, like yung taho, pinasok na nila 9 o'clock pa lang, and then there are no more plates and bowls na habang kumakain pa kami, wala pang 10 a.m. nagliligpit na sila. So, it's also not a good thing kasi syempre pagka kumakain ka pa, you still need to get all the utensils o kaya yung mga tablewares, dapat available pa din siya kahit few minutes before closing. Pero hindi pa close yung breakfast, nagliligpit na sila. So, it's a bad thing. So, when it comes to amenities naman, hindi nasabi sa booking na close pala yung pool nila. Actually, we prepared pa na mga swimming wears namin kasi we really want to try yung pool dito sa Seda BGC kasi first time namin na magstay dito. However, upon check-in, nalaman namin na under renovation pala yung pool nila, so we cannot use it. Sana kapag ganon, meron agad advice upon booking na under renovation yung pool para hindi ka na nag-expect. Yung check-in process nila mabilis lang, although madaming tao, pero very quick naman yung response or yung pag-assess ng mga staff dito. Tapos ready na agad yung room namin. I think we arrived around 2 or 2:30 p.m. kahapon. So yun. And then wala kaming club access, although we are staying in a 1-bedroom suite or apartment style dito sa Seda. Wala siyang kasama na club access. And in-offer sa amin is for us to pay additional 2,500 para makakuha kami ng club access, which is just for 2 person na yung cocktails, evening drinks, tsaka yung breakfast daw. But we didn't avail it na anymore kasi di naman kami din pupunta sa club lounge nila since wala kaming time. And guys, we booked this hotel through Agoda. If you also want to stay sa Seda BGC or any Seda hotels, available sila sa Agoda and you can book it through a discounted rate kasi we have an Agoda code na din. It will give you 10% discount when you book using our code, and that's Kurt Agoda. So save nyo na yan sa Agoda app ninyo for your next staycation. And para naman sa mga activities, if you want to book activities in Agoda, you can also get 5% discount if you use our code KA-AGODA. That's KA-AGODA for the activities, 5% off siya, and Kurt Agoda para naman sa mga accommodation, 10% off naman siya. Kaya save nyo na yan sa Agoda app nyo para makatipid kayo sa inyong next travel. And available din naman tong room na to sa Klook. If you prefer to book through Klook, you can still use my discount code there, Klook Heckle, for additional 5% off. So overall guys, if you will ask me if I recommend our stay here or if I recommend this hotel, sure, pwede naman siya, but depende sa reason nyo of staying. First, if you want to celebrate simple celebration katulad ng ginawa namin kasi nga very spacious yung location or yung room, pwede kayong mag-invite ng few guests ninyo, close relatives ninyo to celebrate with you. Pero syempre hindi pwede yung maingay na may video ka and all. Pwede lang yung simple kainan, get together. Yan, pwede nyo yung gawin dito. And also, if you want to roam around BGC or may business kayo sa BGC, definitely this is a good place to stay. Or kung gusto nyo ng medyo malapit sa airport, kasi few minutes na lang nasa airport na kayo pag dito kayo nagstay. And we paid a total of 15,717 pesos for the overnight stay in this room. And take note, nakasave kami ng 1,195 pesos using the Agoda discount code. Kaya naman, don't forget to use it if you want to book your next staycation. And they also offer free parking for the hotel guests. You just need to get the parking coupon sa reception area. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also follow us in our social media accounts, Kurt Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure, goodbye!